All right, we are counting down the hours till part of the Parkway East closes completely. The dreaded hour, Friday night at 9 o'clock. That is when the Parkway East between Squirrel Hill and Edgewood Swissvale closes for 25 days. It's 9 p.m., we should point out. So the Commercial Street Bridge can be replaced. That's what this is all about. And there are a lot of questions about the bridge replacement, including whether they are actually going to, whether they're going to actually use dish soap as part of it. That's one of the rumors out there.
A wild rumor, right? New this morning, John Shumway joins us to answer that question. So how are they going to do it?
Well, it really is a mind-boggling task if you think about it. But the company doing this specializes in moving really big things. When the Russians needed to move a giant containment dome into place at the failed Chernobyl nuclear power plant, Dutch heavy lifting company Mammoet did the job. A fraction of that weight, they will now move the Commercial Street Bridge into place on the Parkway East, a trip of 120 feet.
Somewhere around 24 hours is the time frame that we should be able to move the bridge in its entirety.
PennDOT's John Myler is aware of the talk about the bridge making it slide on dish soap.
There have been times where dish soap is a very good lubricant for sliding these things, and it's good in a pinch.
But this is no pinch.
For this process, we are not using dish soap. We have some, I don't know the specific name of it, but it's a manufactured lubricant, spray lubricant, that will be applied to the Teflon that we're sliding.
Mammoet's 42 Red Jacks are ready for the push.
The hydraulic pushing system has a 3-foot stroke, so it'll be sort of like 3 feet at a time.
But those 3 feet may be over 10 minutes to a half hour or even more. So will it be visible to the naked eye?
Yes, it'll be in spurts.
But the best time will be.
So when it starts to come into alignment with the existing parkway, that's kind of a good visual moment where you'll see like the movement very obviously.
The entire process from last car across the old bridge to the first car across the new span is slated for 25 days.
Could it be done earlier?
That's our goal. Everything has to go according to plan, but our goal is to not use all the 25 days.
And the contractor is heavily incentivized to get it done quicker. The sooner it opens, the bigger the bonus. Cha-ching.
Yeah, there you go. All right, so 22 million pound bridge moving 120 feet. Can people watch this? Can you be there in person?
Oh, certainly not in the valley where the bridge is, but and there aren't a whole lot of great places to be able to see this. However, PennDOT knows that, so they're making arrangements to have live cameras to follow the move. And if we'll sit around and watch eagles lay eggs, I think we'll sit around and watch a bridge move.
Do you think they'll provide popcorn as well? Is that under consideration?
BYOP.
Okay. All right. Good to know.
BYOP. All right. Thanks, John. We appreciate it. Well, stay with KDKA for continuing coverage of the Commercial Street Bridge project and the shutdown of the Parkway East. We will have updates all this week, and then be sure to join us early Monday morning. John Shumway will have real-time updates on any delays or issues along the detour routes.